Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just wanted to give you a quick update on this emergency radio here. I was doing the test where I had fully charged the internal battery on this radio and was using it to charge this old cell phone. And I was monitoring the power that it was supplying to the cell phone with this little tester. And I started the charging at 5:25 a.m. this morning, and I checked it a couple of times. At 7:08 a.m. it was still charging, but only at 170 milliamps, and it said it had charged it for 247 milliamp hours, and the voltage was 4.67. And then at 8:06, I looked at it because I was doing a bunch of things here, and this display here was off, which means that the output of the internal battery was drained enough that it couldn't even provide enough power for this display, much less charge the battery. So it charged, I'm going to guess, I'm going to put it, I think it might have stopped like at 7:30. I'll say 7:25. That would be exactly 2 hours that it provided charging power to this cell phone. Now, this is an old cell phone, old battery. We're going to, right now, I have not turned it on, or attempted to turn it on. I haven't attempted to turn it on. I'm going to try it right now. So let me zoom in as much as I can. Get it in the view. Okay, here we go. So I'll push and hold this little button on the side to turn it on, to try to turn it on. I'm pushing and holding. And is it going to come on? Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. No, it is not going to come on. So it did not get enough charge to this basically dead cell phone so that I could at least turn it on and maybe make a call. Well, of course, I can't make a call with this one because it's no longer connected to any service. What I will do, just out of curiosity, and I probably won't do a show on it, is I will put this cell phone on a regular USB charger and see if it'll charge at all. Maybe it won't. And I'll give you the result of that little test in the description below this video once I find out. So that's it. I think I've done all the testing I'm going to do on this little radio, this iRonsnow radio. It's an emergency radio. It has a whole bunch of functions which I've shown you. I like it. I really like it. For $25, I really like it. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.